Once everybody signed the waiver and filled in the stuff for the security, for the license plates, then Daryl's going to go ahead and lead us through the park over to the area that we're diving. So I'll let you guys go first. I'll follow up behind the trucks. I think there's some gates I may have to close as we work our way through. And then you can go ahead and try and park as close to the water as possible. Daryl will give you a little guidance on where to park. We don't want to block everything off, but obviously, as we know with the equipment, we want to be as close to the water as we can. You're welcome to get set up by your vehicle if you want to hike it down, or if you want to haul it down. If you got a cart and want to get set up here, we'll set up 2 gear tables here that can accommodate 1, maybe 2 setups per table. So whatever's easiest for you. Let's split it into 2 groups. We'll have the wetsuit divers get in the water first, so you guys can start doing the cleanup, and then we'll have the dry suit divers, whether you want to be suited up in your dry suits or whatever your service gear is, but then that way you can help people get in and out of the water. We really want to hug this coastline and systematically work our way down that. Most likely the bottom's going to be silty, so good buoyancy is going to be helpful. And trying to stay off the bottom, and that's hard when you're picking stuff off the bottom, but obviously do your best. So I've got mesh bags for everybody to use. Put your stuff in there. Once it's full, you can come up with your buddy, let one of us know topside, and we'll try and meet you down on the rocks to grab that from you, and then give you an empty bag to keep filling stuff up from there. If it's easier for you to swim back, or maybe we can't get you based on the rocks, you may have to swim back a little bit for us to reach that and do that swap.
How far out though?
I would say as far as you're comfortable going. We do need each buddy team to have a dive buoy, so if you don't have one, we'll give you one to use. So one buddy member is going to be holding that, and they may be holding the bag too, while the other one person may be stuff in the bag full. So you guys figure out whatever works best for you and your dive buddy. Obviously the water's going to be a little on the refreshing side. Yeah. So.